Hi, this is my third video on analog instrument. First video will be on PMMC, second video will be on MI instrument, and third one electrodynamic type instrument, and the fourth one, that is last one, electrostatic type instrument. So this video contains MCQ with answer. This is mainly used for TNEBAE, NLC, TRB, TNBC Combined Engineering Service Exam, IAS and GATE. First question, on the electrodynamic type instrument, find its major uses. Option A, standard instrument only. Option B, transfer type instrument. Option C, both standard and transfer. Option D, indication type instrument. So electrodynamic instrument are capable as a service as a transfer instrument. Indeed, their principle as ammeter and voltmeter in laboratory, and measurement work is for transfer calibration of working instrument, and as a standard for calibration of other instrument as their accuracy is very high. So in short, due to higher accuracy compared to other type of instrument, electrodynamometer type instrument are used as transfer type instrument and as standard instrument. So the correct answer is option C. Second question, the operating magnetic field in an electrodynamometer type instrument has a flux density typically about option A 1 Weber per meter squared, option B 0.4 Weber per meter square, option C 0.05 Weber per meter square, option D 0.05 Weber per meter square. Solution, the operating current of this instrument is large owing to the fact that they have weak magnetic field. The flux density is about 0.006 Weber per meter square. Already we know for PMMC the flux density is 0.1 to 0.5 Weber per meter square. And low value of flux density affect the operating torque, and the meter sensitivity is low, that is from 10 to 30 ohm per volt. The correct answer is very low flux density, so the value is around 0.05 Weber per meter square. The option is option D. Question number 4, a static moment in electrodynamic type instrument is used for. So the static moment is one of the additional part used in the electrodynamic type instrument to minimize the noise influence of external magnetic field can be minimized by this arrangement. A static moment is used to eliminating the error on the account of external magnetic field. The correct answer is option A. Question number 4, in order that an electrodynamic type of instrument exhibit a pure square law response, the meter reading would be. So the options are given. Detailed explanation, in electrodynamic type instrument, as usually constructed theta is varies from about 45 degree to 135 degree, that is from minus 45 to 45 degree, from the position of 0 mutual inductance, and as changes in the value of m over this range are not large, that is dm by dt is particularly constant over this range, the instrument shows almost square law response. So the correct answer is option A, 45 minus 45 to 45 about the position from 0 mutual inductance between the fixed and moving coil. The option is option A. Question number 5, the voltage of 200 volt at 5 Hz is applied to an electrodynamic type instrument which is spring controlled. The indication on the instrument is option A 200 volt, option B 0 volt, option D the instrument follows the variation in voltage and does not give any steady response, option D none of the above. In general, electrodynamic type instrument are used for frequency range from 0 to 125 Hz. However, a moving system tends to follow the pulsation in torque at low frequency. Thus, the movement at low frequency impractical. So, instrument follows the variation in voltage and does not give any steady response. The answer is option C. Next question. Thermocouple instrument can be used for the frequency response of. So generally thermocouple instrument are called RF instrument. That means it is used for higher range of frequency. The range of frequency from up to 50 megahertz. So the option A is wrong, B is also wrong, C is above 50 megahertz, that is wrong. The option is option C. The answer is option C, up to 1 megahertz. Question number 7. A heater wire of thermocouple instrument is made very thin in order to. Option A, high value of resistance. Option B, to reduce the skin effect at higher frequency. Option C, reduce the weight of the instrument. Option D, to decrease the overranging capacity of the instrument. Detailed explanation. The most of the important application thermoelectric instrument is measurement of current and voltage at higher frequency. Therefore, the heater element of such instruments should be free from skin effect. In order to reduce the skin effect, the heater wires are designed with smaller area of cross section, that is very fine wire. The option is B. Correct answer is option B, to reduce the skin effect at higher frequency. Question number 8. A megger is used for measurement of option A, low valued resistance. Option B, medium valued resistance. Option C, higher valued resistance, particularly insulation resistance. Option D, all the above. Already we know for lower resistance we are using Kelvin double bridge. For medium we are using Wheatstone bridge. So megger is not possible for both A and B. So from that D also not an answer. The correct answer is option C, higher valued resistance, particularly insulation resistance. So other name of megger is insulation tester. Question number 9. The controlling torque in a megger is provided by A. Option A, springs. Option B, weight attached to the moving system. Option C, it does not need any controlling torque. Option D, none of the above. Megger does not have any controlling torque. So option is option C. Which meter has highest accuracy in prescribed limit of frequency range? PMMC is applicable for DC only. Option A is not answer. Moving ion is for lower frequency but accuracy is less. This is not answer. AC rectifier is not possible, so electrodynamometer type instrument. Highest accuracy in prescribed limit of frequency range is electrodynamometer type. The frequency range is from 40 to 500 Hz. Low grade instrument, it is applicable to 15 to 1000 Hz. Instrument using static movement, by using extra static movement arrangement, the frequency we can measure up to 10 kHz. The correct answer is option C. Which instrument has highest frequency range with accuracy within the reasonable limit? Instrument has a highest frequency range with accuracy within the reasonable limit is thermocouple. Accurate well above the frequency of 50 MHz. The answer is option C. Next video will be on electrostatic type instrument. Thank you.